What is the function of the brain's visual cortex? In today's fast-paced world, understanding how our brains process visual information is more relevant than ever. Recent studies have sparked interest in the brain's visual cortex and its essential role in our daily lives. People are searching for answers about how we perceive the world through sight, making this a timely topic worth discussing. The brain's visual cortex is located in the occipital lobe at the back of the brain. This area is the primary center for visual perception. It processes the visual information received from our eyes. When we see something, light enters our eyes and is converted into electrical signals by the retina. These signals travel through the optic nerves to reach the visual cortex. Once the visual cortex receives this raw data, it begins to interpret it. The visual cortex breaks down the visual input into various components. It analyzes aspects such as light, color, shape, motion, and spatial orientation. This analysis allows us to perceive and understand the visual world around us. The visual cortex is made up of multiple layers and specialized neurons. These neurons work together to organize and analyze the incoming visual information. They help us recognize objects, perceive depth, and coordinate our visual responses. This means that when you see a car approaching, your brain quickly processes that information to help you react. Recent neuroscience research has highlighted the complex interactions among different types of neurons within the visual cortex. These interactions show that the visual cortex functions as a networked organ. This network allows the brain to adapt to changes in visual stimuli effectively. For example, if you move from a bright area to a dimly lit room, the visual cortex adjusts to maintain accurate perception. This ability is vital for navigating our environment safely and effectively. The visual cortex transforms sensory input into meaningful visual experiences. Understanding the function of the visual cortex is essential for grasping how we interact with the world. This knowledge can help us appreciate the intricate processes that allow us to see and respond to our surroundings. As research continues to advance, we can expect even more discoveries about this remarkable part of the brain and its role in our everyday lives.